Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In today's work example, we'll be simplifying the radical square root of 3a square b multiplied by square root of 8b power 6 a power 5 over square root of 54 a cube multiplied by b to the power of 5. So let's start. So the very first thing that we need to do is we know that two numbers square root of a multiplied by square root of b can be rewritten as square root of a b. And similarly, square root of a over square root of b can be rewritten as square root of a over b. So using these facts, we will try to rewrite our radical in these forms. So let's start. So first thing we'll do is we'll try to write the numerator in this form. And what we'll do is we'll take a common square root. So 3 multiplied by 8 we know is 24. And we know that a square multiplied by a power 5 would be a power 7 because they are being multiplied, their powers would be added. Similarly, b multiplied by b power 6 would be b power 7. Again, their powers are being they are being multiplied, so their powers would be added. And the denominator would remain as is, as square root of 54 a cube b power 5. Now we can use this fact to rewrite this fraction as square root 24 a power 7 b power 7 over 54 a cube b power 5. If you see, we can easily simplify what's inside the square root because there's a 7 in the numerator, a cube in the denominator. So we know that when this is the case, we can subtract the powers from each other. So subtracting the powers, we would get a to the power of 4. And similarly for b, we would get b to the power of 2. And as for the fraction, for the numbers 24 and 54, we know we can simplify them to 4 by 9. If we divide them by 6 each, we would get 6 fours are 24 and 9 in the bottom. And if we want to rewrite again, now we can separate them again using this fact. We can separate them to write square root of 4 by 9 into square root of a4 into square root of b square. Now we can separately evaluate them. Square root of 4 by 9 we all know is 2 by 3. Square root of a4 would obviously be a square, and square root of b square would obviously be b. And now this is our final simplification of the radical. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.